made it for 60. He must make it another 60. I will be so grateful. Or you got me next to your side. Well, the years is going past very fast and we have to cherish it and love everybody, no matter how much you want to kill them. You love death, but you love it more. So, thank you. I appreciate all everybody. And thank you for my parents. Thank you. My husband's parents. Now my parents. I love of course. And thank you for all the family. And thank you all for stuff. Thank you. But anyway, so I really appreciate it. All my friends, all my family, and everybody I love is here. With my family, with my husband. Thank you. Thank you, grandparents. Thank you for everybody.
Great to have you here. Now it's appreciated us all being here. Spending his money. I'm absolutely all about it. My wife's complaining that I'm saying too much, so I'm going to say no more. Say Julie home.
Thanks, I appreciate you all coming. I enjoyed it with you, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.
Before you get to the bottom.
Wait, she's going to eat me.
Macy, you're the best. Macy, you go the best.
Come. And kiss. Oh, love it. Do we not do this? Okay, carry on. Happy there, not with the tissue. It's not sad that he's 60, okay?
My clothes cut it off.
You can't cut it.
I think you can dish them up.
Yeah, take a piece out and feed Dad, Mom. Okay. Did you give Dad your cake, huh?
I want a wheel.
Okay. It's for Dad. You got to feed him, Mom. You're taking it from him like that.
What do you say not to really get married? What?
Yeah, give him the wheel because he wants to act like that. Go on. Nice. There we go.
Just one go.
You guys, it's a ride or die couple, so give Mom a bite of a wheel too.
She doesn't want a wheel, it's one
She
go.
doesn't want the wheel. She wants to sit in the passenger seat.
Dramatik in der Box. Jetzt muss alles gut gehen.